The folks who have been advocating on their own on fragmented voices are starting to see success in states that do have coalitions and are feeling more supported and seeing the benefit of coming together with one strong voice. In 2009, when the Residential Fire Sprinkler Initiative was started by NFPA, and we started sharing with fire sprinkler advocates in different states that there was a support for them in coming together and working as one voice, many advocates had their comfort level raised in feeling like there was even more hope in getting more adoptions, either statewide or on the local level.
Many of the states we go to and we start using national statistics and national models, the local code boards and policymakers don't want to hear it. They want to hear about the statistics from their own states. They want to know what's happening in their own states as far as fire deaths, as far as installation costs, and any impediments to installing residential sprinklers. They're not interested in a nationwide problem. They want to know what's going on in their states. And this is what the local state coalitions are good at doing. They're good at tackling those issues at the state and local level so that we have better data to present to policymakers in their states. It's very important to bring all the various stakeholders on board when you form a coalition. We need the suppliers and manufacturers that can tell us about new products that they have in the workplace that could possibly reduce the cost of installing residential sprinklers. We need the installers, the people who work and do this work in the field. We need fire officials and firefighters who understand the tragedies that occur with residential fires.
Some of the successes in forming state coalitions have been, I believe, in the last couple of years, we've seen nationwide a decline in legislation filed to keep local communities from adopting codes that require residential fire sprinklers, or a statewide ban on adopting residential fire sprinkler codes. Having these coalitions in the states working to dispel the myths, working to share the truth about residential fire sprinklers, to educate policymakers, legislators, local community folks, so they better understand the truth about residential fire sprinklers, has been some of the success of starting some state coalitions. We've seen in a couple of states, California and Maryland, the true benefit of bringing coalitions of stakeholders together, working out differences, identifying barriers, and overcoming those barriers, where we've ended up with 2 states statewide that are on board with residential fire sprinklers.